hi folks, thanks for watching. I'm not entirely sure if the audio in this is going to work. I've been having some serious audio problems, so I hope you can hear me okay and it's not too annoying. If not, I'll put on some nice music. So thanks for joining me on another, well, what is an after work little ride. It's not quite what I had planned to do. I had planned to do a specific route, but the road is closed, and I've also noticed that I put in the wrong SD card in the GoPro, and I've probably only got about 20 minutes worth of filming. So I'm just going to make this up as we go along. It's a beautiful evening here in Scotland. It's, well, we're in October now, and there's a lot of bikes out tonight, because I think most people, like me, are beginning to think this could be the last really good evening to get out on the bike before they start gritting the roads, and either your bike melts or you spend all your money on AC 50. But it's absolutely beautiful, beautiful night. Those hills are the Campsies, Campsie Glen, which are just north of Glasgow. I might try and go up them. I was going to try and come in the opposite direction, but I don't think that's going to happen. Yeah, this feels right. We're going up and up and up and up into the hills. I see this is one of the last nights I might be able to get out. There's still plenty of days to get out, but I don't mind admitting to you I'm a bit of a fair weather biker. Sorry folks, I know there's probably loads of you out there saying, oh, ride all year round, but to be honest, I just don't enjoy it when it's pouring rain and cold. And because I've got my new bike, which is brand new, well, I'm buggered if I'm taking it out after they started salting and gritting the roads, because life is too short, as I said, to spend all my time ACF 50ing everything, covering it in anti-corrosion. It's too nice a bike to do that, and I don't have a collection of bikes, so I don't have a winter hack, which would be nice, but again, I don't see the enjoyment when it's cold and wet. So I don't think it'll be too long before the little bike here is hibernated away for the winter, which is a shame. I'll miss him. I think it's a gender neutral bike. I normally do this road the opposite direction because the views are better, so I think I'm going to go up and I'm going to turn around and I'm going to head back the other direction. But you probably won't see it because the SD card will probably run out. I'm sorry. It's been a while since I've been out on the bike, been a good few weeks. I caught the old COVID, so that kept the bike in the garage for a couple of weeks, and then the weather's just been horrendous. Afternoon. Yeah, like I said, there are lots of bikes out tonight. I think everyone's got exactly the same idea, because the weather forecast for the next week at least is pretty horrendous. Look at that, beautiful, absolutely stunning. Right, come on, I need to get past these. But I can't, because there's another bike coming. Anyway, I hope everyone who's watching is well. I hope you've had a lovely summer of riding your bike. said this before, but if you ever do get the chance to come over and ride in Scotland, I can't recommend it highly enough. And this, I mean, this isn't the North Coast 500, this isn't miles from major population centres. Where I am just now is, I don't know, half an hour, maybe 40 minutes from the centre of Glasgow, an hour from Edinburgh. Just what the old doctor ordered after work. Right, come on, give me a little straight bit here so I can overtake. Because otherwise, this video is going to be renamed the Suzuki SUV. That's the car in front, by the way. I can't make out what kind it is. Well done to you, miss. Right, here we go. No. I'm just not one of those bikers that zips in and out of traffic, I'm afraid. I like to wait till a long straight and overtake them. I know, just give us a break. There's something up on that hill, like an observatory. But it's really unlikely the GoPro will pick that out. Right, never noticed that before. What a place to live. What a view you'd have. Although I don't know if the local takeaway will come this far. So no big trips this year, not even any small trips this year, due to weather, commitments, work, the global plague. So next year I have a few. I feel duty bound as a Scotsman to do the North Coast 500, which I've never done. So that's on the list for next year. And so is Ireland. I'd really love to go to Ireland. Any Irish subscribers or anyone in Ireland watching, I'd love some tips of where to go there. I'd love to do the Wild Atlantic Way, but I'm not sure I can spare that amount of time. I'm probably only going to manage 2, maybe 3 nights, and one of those will probably be in Dublin, visiting some family. But apart from that, any tips would be great. I'll probably get the ferry over to Belfast or Larne. How do I get in here? There we go. And then make it up for a few days. So, all tips gratefully receive. Where am I going? I will go. I'm just going to go back. You know that? I am going to go back. Yeah, I'll take photos elsewhere.